Hey guys, this video is about arithmetic sequence. So we will be finding its common difference, calculate for the arithmetic mean, solve for the specific term or the nth term, and we calculate the partial sum of the sequence. So first, let's have the arithmetic sequence. Let's have 4, 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, and 22. So 4 here is our first term. That is a sub 1, a sub 2 for second term, a sub 3 for third term, a sub 4 for the fourth term, a sub 5 for the fifth term, a sub 6 for the sixth term, and then a sub 7 for our seventh term. Now, as we can observe in this sequence, the pattern here is that we add 3 from the previous term so that we can have our second term, such as 4 plus 3, that is 7, 7 plus 3, that is 10, 10 plus 3, that is 13, and 13 plus 3, 16, 16 plus 3, that is 19, and 19 plus 3, that is 22. So therefore, 3 here is our common difference. Again, we call this as our common difference. And that is that is our common difference. Now let's proceed to calculating for the arithmetic mean. Now, arithmetic mean here is, we get that with the formula of m is equals to a plus b divided by 2. A plus b divided by 2. Okay, to solve this one, we will be using 4 as our a here and then 10 as our b. And we divide it into 2, we get the result of their middle, that is 7. So let's try. M is equals to 4 plus 10 divided by 2. 4 plus 10, that is 14, divided by 2, that is 7. And we got it right. Again, this is our formula for our arithmetic mean. Now next, let us try to solve for the nth term or any term of the sequence. And the formula for that is a sub n is equals to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Okay, let's say we will be finding the fifth term, and our fifth term here is 16. So let's try to solve this using this formula to get 16. A sub 5. Why sub 5? Because again, we are finding the fifth term. Our a sub 1, our first term here is 4, plus our n here is 5 since we are finding the fifth term, minus 1, and then our d, again our common difference here is 3. So we solve it. 5 minus 1, that is 4, and then 4 times 3, that is 12, and then 4 plus 12, that is 16. So it's correct. Again, this is our formula for finding any term of the sequence, such as the 6th term, 7th term, and so on and so on. We can use this formula. Now last is we will be calculating the partial sum of the sequence, and the formula for here is s sub n equals a sub 1 plus a sub n divided by 2 multiplied to n. Now, as we can see, we have 7 terms. So we will be getting the sum of these 7 terms. So that means our n here is 7. S sub 7 equals our first term, a sub 1, that is 4. And then since our n will become 7, so that means this is our 7th term because it will turn into a sub 7. So our a sub 7 here is 22. Then divided by 2, and n, that is 7. So 4 plus 22, that is 26. Divided by 22, that is 13. And then times 7. 13 times 7, so 10 times 7, that is 70. And then 3 times 7, that is 21. So 70 plus 21, that is 91. And this is our answer. This is the sum of this sequence. Again, this is our formula for finding the sum of our sequence. And that's it. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something. Bye!